What's up, y'all? StevieJ here, Beyond the Details. Got another unboxing / first impression for you guys. Right here, I have the JBL Partybox 110. I actually have one of these already. I was going to upgrade to the 700 or maybe the 3, but from looking at reviews and watching a whole bunch of videos on YouTube, I noticed a lot of reviewers were saying the 300 and 110 sound almost indistinguishable. So I decided to go ahead and pick up another 110 instead of getting the 700. The reason why I didn't go with the 700 is because it's not wireless, even though that's not something that wireless as far as meaning to have AC power. I do plug it in 99% of the time here when it's at the house. But if I ever do have to want to take it with me, I want to have the opportunity to not have to have it plugged in. And with the 700 and the 110, supposedly you couldn't connect it. So that was a big no. I didn't want to do what would I have the 110 for. So I decided to get another 110 just to make the sound more fuller. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then I'm going to play what it sounds like just with the first Partybox 110, and then I'm going to, with you guys, see how easy it is to connect them both, and then see how it sounds with that. I don't have a binary microphone, so it's not going to be as distinguishable as some of these guys, but you'll have to see something. Let's go. This is the top. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put this flat on the table. If you guys are one of them people that are really anal on how many watts does it take, not plugged in, plugged in, just do a quick Google search on that. That's not how I want my videos to go. This is just a real world, how does it sound type video. And while I'm opening it, whenever I do have the bass boost on, I always do, but I never put it past the, there's only two levels. I never put it past the first level. The second one makes it sound really bad to me. It just doesn't, the bass just doesn't sound right. That's just my opinion. All right. So you're gonna have, first notice the box, which is gonna have your power adapter, and then just your basic JBL paperwork and whatnot. I really don't like ever mess with the paperwork. I just put it right back in the box. And like I said, that's going to be all that's in the box. Put that here for now. Oh. Put these back. Been looking for this for a while. Everywhere was pretty much out of stock. Amazon had it, but it wasn't Prime, and I had a really big issue with ordering something from Prime that wasn't something off Amazon that wasn't Prime. It was $900 worth of tires. They never showed up. Long story short, I lost the money. I had to file a lawsuit, which is currently ongoing with Amazon. Okay, this is the top. Get you guys a little closer. All right, so just to be a little more specific for you guys, the height is just about in the highest area here is 22 inches, and in the back area is a little bit shorter, which is about 20 inches and 3/4. Your width is roughly 11 inches. From here to here, 11 inches also. So 11 inches. And I forgot what it was, but rewind the video, and that's just a rough estimate. It's not an exact measurement. As far as aesthetically, I love how the speaker looks. I love how it performs. I already own one. This right here is going to be your light adjustment. Which if I turn it on, should have normally it has a little juice. This is your volume knob. Press that to stop and start the song. It's searching for a Bluetooth connection right here now, and then the bass boost. Let me go ahead and, I'm not worried about the connection. Do a couple of the light settings so you guys can see that. Also, you have a lot better control over everything through the app. The app is good. I mean, you're not going to be able to really adjust the sound, but as far as being able to connect it, doing a little DJ stuff, karaoke, and controlling the light, what colors you want, you can do all that through the app, which is pretty neat. You have a handle right here, which makes it a hell of an easy to carry, which is on the bottom and the top. So you can carry like that, one hand, two hand, put it over your back, whatever. Okay. On the back of the Party Boost, you have a flap here, which is going to be for like your microphones if you're doing karaoke, the audio in and out, the gains for the microphone, and then you have a USB 5 volt, 2.1 amp it says, and then this is the TWS. Is supposed, I would assume, how you're going to pair these two together. And then right here you have your power. Nice size vent for the bass. On both sides you have rubber feet here and here on both sides. So if you did want to lay it like this, you can. The reason why I never considered that is because the JBL side is sideways. I'm very just really picky myself. So at least like this, I know that the JBL side is facing correctly. So that's just a really quick unboxing of the Party Box. I want you guys to hear how it sounds now with the one I have, and then we're going to try to hook it up through TWS and see how much fuller it sounds after I get it going. So this is the JBL 110 that I already have. Let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like. I'll do you guys a demonstration on the app. So you can control what you do in the app. Ripple, flash, cross, flow, rock. I'm a cross guy. But what I do like is this: you have your bass tubes. You can't really tell a difference, but deep is always the way to go. You do have your little effects. So yeah, pretty basic, but I just like to control the lights. As you can see around here, this ring is going to dictate where the volume is. Alright, so let's try TWS and see if it's simple. Alright, so this one's playing. I'm going to see if it's as simple as me just pressing the TWS button. How quick was that? I mean, that took me 10 seconds. They already synced. All uniform. Very impressed with that. I'm not really going to be able to show you guys exactly what the difference in sound is, only because my microphone's kind of garbage. But just from telling you, like I said, I've owned this with the first one for about 5 months. They're both the same model. It's going to sound amazing. I'm going to get more fuller sound. So basically for the price of $1,700, you can get 2 of these. And that's what I recommend to do. If you're someone who is a DJ person, why not have 2 of these, have them across from each other to get that fuller sound. Yeah, I mean, if you can afford 2 700s or even 1,000 or a couple thousands, obviously that's the way to go. If you're someone like that for your household, these are the way to go. Hope you guys enjoyed my brief, quick demo with the 110. And yeah, I appreciate it. Catch y'all in the next one.